Hello everyone, this is Joanna from Atomy, Canada. In today's episode of Smart Atomian's Guide, we will learn how to create your Google email account and how to send emails. So, get your notes and a pen and let's get started. On your browser search bar, type google.ca. And now that we are on Google's homepage, click on the blue Sign In button on the top right corner of your screen. Click Create Account and make sure to choose the option for Myself. Let's fill in the following sections with our basic information, such as first name, last name, the username for your Google email, and your password. To continue, click Next. If you want, you can put your phone number or recovery email address to your account. We highly recommend using one of these options to provide more security to your account and Atomy business. Then, fill in with your birthday and gender. When you're finished, click Next. Now, in order to confirm your phone number, click Send and you'll receive a phone message with a code. Insert the verification code and click Verify. And if you want, you can use your phone number for other Google services, such as video calls and messages. If you're interested, click Yes, I'm in, and if you're not, simply skip the question. Click on I agree for the privacy and terms section. Ta-da! Here's your Google account. You can see the initials of your name on the top right corner of your screen. It was so easy, right? Now, let's talk about one important tool that you need for your daily business and personal life, your Google email. So, click on Gmail to be directed to your Google email homepage. There, you have many options to get started. You can customize your inbox, change your profile image, import contacts and emails, and get Gmail for mobile. But how do I send an email? It's very simple. All you have to do is click on the Compose button on the top left corner of your Gmail homepage and a window will pop up on your screen. Under Recipients, insert the email address of the person you want to send a message. Under Subject, write the topic of your email. To send pictures or video files, click on the clip icon. When you're satisfied with your email content, simply click on the blue Send button, and there you go, your email has been sent. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll be able to see the email you have received by clicking Inbox. To see the emails you have sent to your partners, click Send. You can also select important emails and see those you have selected by clicking Start. It's pretty simple. Today, we learned how to create your Google account and how to send emails with Gmail. Having a Google account is really important for your daily life and especially to leverage your Atomy business. In the next episode of Smart Atomian's Guide, we will learn more about other tools Google has to offer us, such as creating slides, tracking your data with spreadsheets, creating your own calendar, and saving files on Google Drive. I hope you are as excited as I am, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!